Hello everybody, Princess Bear here. We're here with an update, a schedule update of sorts.
Yes, Bear has tested positive for the Rona. I have already started showing signs myself. So we have been in quarantine now for about 5 days from the day that this video is posting. We do plan for the next week to stay at home. We're going to try the best of our abilities to keep our video schedule, but we'll see. It depends on how we're feeling from a day-to-day basis.
Yeah, as our energy levels go up and down. We've already had to move out some of our harder to get reservations. So some of the reviews you guys are expecting from us, like Trails In dinner and things like that, will probably be pushed out for a little bit.
Yeah.
And depending on when I come back with a negative test, some other things as well. We'll let you guys know in the community tab, but we give you updates and everything else. Video content in the meantime will mostly be home videos. We have some back videos of different things that we've done months ago that haven't posted that we'll be posting. And mostly just trying to rest and keep our energy up for the most part. We were both vaccinated. So while I've had symptoms of COVID and tested positive with the home tests, and I have a PCR test today, they've been mostly mild. It's mostly just been energy.
Cold
flu
symptoms.
Like I had a sore throat, chills, but nothing crazy. Need to be hospitalized for. No chest pains or shortness of breath, everything like that. So it's mostly just dealing with it for the most part. We both have remote jobs, so finances aren't really an issue for us during this time.
Thankfully, he's been calling off of work because he's been feeling really, really bad. I fortunately have been able to continue to work. Who knows what this upcoming week will
hold.
Will
definitely
hold for
see.
us.
We'll be taking it easy, trying to push ourselves too hard. Videos may not be the 20 minutes you're used to. It'd be like closer to like 10, 15.
That's fine.
But I mean, I don't think you guys are gonna like break out the pitchforks for us for that or anything like that.
I really don't think that the length of our videos, we've had short videos too.
We have.
The content is as long as it needs to be. We don't really concern ourselves about length.
But yeah, we got the Rona.
And if you see maybe more of me in the videos than Bear, obviously the vegan is doing a lot better than the non-vegan. Not that I'm going to say that the diet has anything to do with it, but
I feel like you just did. Either way. But that's just giving you guys an update on what's going on with us. We are doing the best that we can right now. If anything gets better or worse, you guys will communicate you either here or on the community tab. Follow us on the other social medias. We'll still be posting. We'll still be online if you guys want to talk to us.
If you want an update, please feel free to comment on this video. We do read all of the comments and we will reply.
All of the comments.
We will reply if you have questions. But yes, like Bear said, we were vaccinated in April. Yeah. So we've been vaccinated for quite some time. It's just kind of the nature of Florida being stupid.
Yeah, we couldn't really pinpoint where we got it. It could be anywhere. Honestly, we it's our own fault. I've been wearing masks when I go out, but I haven't been wearing masks at the parks at all. And I would say that personally, I have gotten a little bit more lax on my hand sanitation regimen. Like, I used to hand sanitize for everything. Now it was maybe a couple times a day. So
I don't know, I've still been washing my hands and stuff, but I mean, I do feel like Florida overall has been a lot more lax, especially like when we go out in public. Some of the tables aren't clean like they were before. I know we've definitely sat at some dirty tables here recently.
Yeah, we definitely felt more comfortable, like
just being normal
at Disney, but like we still go out around Florida and Orlando, so like we've had to sort of adjust to where we are, but at the same time, like, we're owning personal responsibility for it. We're not like angry at the state because we got COVID.
No,
it's unfortunate.
It's our fault, of course.
I wish more people had gotten vaccinated. If you haven't gotten vaccinated yet, I would like you please to go do that.
Please get vaccinated.
If not for your sake, for the sake of the people around you, at the very least, continue to wear your masks. I've been wearing them, like I said, when we go anywhere else other than parks, and we'll continue to do so even after this is over. But all we can do is take our time to get better, and then we'll get back to the normal grind of things as soon as we can.
And I truly feel like our symptoms would have been a lot worse if we were not vaccinated,
Oh,
especially
100%.
you.
But like, I know if you guys watched our last video, you can probably start to hear it because that's when I started to feel really, really bad.
Yeah.
We didn't even stay the whole time. We actually left early because I was feeling that terrible.
We left like super. We were staying at Jumbo House, thanks to Melissa and Enda. Bear started feeling a little bit sickly on Wednesday, and then Thursday morning we left the hotel like 7 o'clock in the morning. We didn't stay until 11 just because he wasn't feeling well, and we were taking his temperature. He was having a fever. His fever finally broke.
Yep.
So we're just kind of waiting to ride it out, and as soon as we get those negative tests, we will be right back out again.
Yes, we will. But just say if you guys have any questions, by all means, let us know.
Please comment on this video, and we will answer.
Yeah, maybe we'll do like a short Q&A or something, either if not on YouTube, then somewhere else. But best wishes to all of you. I hope you guys are all staying safe. Wash your hands, wear your mask, and until next time.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.